If your Samsung looks like it's napping, you're about to become the hero of your own tech story. First, try a forced restart. Press and hold the power button and volume down button for 10-15 seconds. If your phone vibrates or restarts, you're good to go. No luck? Try the power button and volume up combo. Next, give it a solid 30-minute charge. If the charging icon or Samsung logo appears, the battery might be the culprit. Try turning it on again. Still no dice? Time for a hardware reset. Heads up, this will erase all data. Go to Settings. General Management. Reset. Factory data reset and follow the instructions. Check that charging port. Any debris or damage? If yes, visit a Samsung service center. Make sure you're using a compatible charger. Wrong charger can be a sneaky issue. Got an SD card? Remove it and restart your phone. And finally, if nothing works, contact Samsung support for more help.